We often look up at the night sky, captivated by its beauty and mystery. We marvel at the vastness of space, the twinkling stars, and the distant galaxies that seem just out of reach. Countless stars and galaxies sprawl across the cosmos, sparking our curiosity and igniting dreams of interstellar travel. The universe, with its infinite possibilities, has always been a source of wonder and inspiration. Yet, beneath the surface of our own planet lies another unexplored frontier, just as vast and mysterious: the ocean. The deep sea holds secrets and wonders that rival those of the cosmos. It's easy to believe we know more about the surface of Mars than we do about the depths of our own oceans. The ocean floor, with its alien-like landscapes and unknown species, remains largely uncharted. But is this really true? Have we truly explored more of the vast expanse of space than the mysterious depths of our own oceans? Have we in fact explored more of space than the ocean? The comparison between space exploration and ocean exploration is a fascinating one, each with its own set of challenges and discoveries. The answer, as with most things in science, is not so simple. While we've made incredible strides in both realms, the depths of the ocean and the vastness of space each hold their own unique mysteries waiting to be uncovered. Comparing ocean and space exploration is like comparing apples and oranges. They both involve venturing into the unknown, but the challenges and methods differ greatly. Space exploration conjures images of powerful rockets, sophisticated satellites, and robotic rovers traversing alien landscapes. Ocean exploration, on the other hand, evokes thoughts of submersibles diving into the abyss, sonar mapping the seafloor, and remotely operated vehicles uncovering the secrets of the deep. Technological advancements have been instrumental in our quest to understand the ocean. Sonar, developed in the early 20th century, allowed us to map the ocean floor for the first time, revealing its complex topography. Submersibles like the iconic Trieste and the more modern Alvin have taken humans to the deepest parts of the ocean, uncovering hydrothermal vents and their unique ecosystems. Remotely operated vehicles, or ROVs, equipped with cameras and sampling tools, allow us to explore areas too dangerous or deep for humans. Mapping the abyss. How much of the ocean do we know? The ocean, covering over 70% of our planet's surface, is a vast and mysterious frontier. Despite centuries of exploration and technological advancements, the depths of the ocean remain one of the least understood places on Earth. Despite these advancements, a startling fact remains: we have explored less than 5% of the ocean. This means that the majority of this immense underwater world is still shrouded in mystery, waiting to be discovered. The ocean floor, in particular, remains largely uncharted. Advanced sonar mapping and submersible technology have given us glimpses of its topography, but these are just small windows into a much larger, unknown landscape. While we have a general understanding of its major features, such as the mid-ocean ridges and trenches, these features are just the tip of the iceberg. The ocean floor is home to countless geological formations that we have yet to fully explore and understand. The vast majority of the seabed has never been seen by human eyes. In these dark, unexplored regions, there could be entire ecosystems and geological wonders that we can only imagine. Our knowledge of the ocean's biodiversity is similarly limited. The ocean is teeming with life, from the smallest plankton to the largest whales. Yet we have only scratched the surface in understanding the full extent of its biodiversity. Scientists estimate that millions of marine species remain undiscovered. Each expedition into the deep sea has the potential to reveal new species, offering insights into the complexity and interconnectedness of marine ecosystems. Reaching for the stars' advancements in space exploration. Space exploration has captured our imaginations for decades. From the early days of stargazing to the modern era of space travel, humanity has always been fascinated by the cosmos. Since Yuri Gagarin's first orbit of Earth in 1961, a monumental achievement that marked the beginning of human spaceflight, we've sent probes to every planet in our solar system. These robotic explorers have provided invaluable data about our celestial neighbors. We've landed rovers on Mars, allowing us to study the red planet's surface up close and search for signs of past life. We've studied the rings of Saturn, uncovering the mysteries of this gas giant and its stunning ring system. And we've captured stunning images of distant galaxies, revealing the beauty and complexity of the universe far beyond our solar system. The Hubble Space Telescope, launched in 1990, has been a game-changer in astronomy. It revolutionized our understanding of the universe, providing detailed images and data that have led to countless discoveries. More recently, the James Webb Space Telescope has peered even deeper into the cosmos, offering unprecedented views of the universe's earliest moments. It has revealed galaxies formed shortly after the Big Bang, shedding light on the origins and evolution of the cosmos. The journey of space exploration continues to inspire and amaze us.